We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 29. Leanne bought 2 cartons of yogurt. She ate 1/8 of a carton of yogurt each day. How many days did it take Leanne to eat all of the yogurt in the 2 cartons? We'll draw 2 cartons of yogurt with 8 yogurts in each. Leanne ate 1/8 of a carton of yogurt each day. To determine how many days it took Leanne to eat all the yogurt in the 2 cartons, 2 divided by 1/8 is equal to 2 multiplied by the reciprocal of 1/8 equals 16. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 30. The stem and leaf plot shows the number of laps around a track that several teams walked as part of a fundraiser for the library. The teams that walked more than 50 laps raised an extra $100 for the library. What fraction of the teams raised this extra money? There were 4 teams that walked more than 50 laps, which are 53, 63, 63, 65 in the stem and leaf plot. How many teams do we have from stem and leaf plot? We have 12 teams total. To find what fraction of the teams raised this extra money, 4 teams divided by 12 teams, which is simplified as 1/3. Therefore, J is the correct answer. Question number 31. Which graph includes only points that follow the rule y, x plus 3? Substitute x with 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the equation to determine the corresponding y values. Since the graph points and the equation's y values don't align, A is wrong. C is also incorrect. B is the correct answer. Question number 32. Each ticket to ride a carousel costs $2.50. The table shows the relationship between X, the number of tickets bought, and Y, the cost of the tickets in dollars. The table's x and y values don't match the points on graph F, so F is incorrect. The point, x cure 5 y tar 1250, on the graph doesn't match option H. Therefore, H is incorrect. All the points on the graph of option G match with the table, therefore G is the correct answer.